In this video, we are going to see how you can get price change in 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour and 24 hour for EVM change. All the saved API links will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. To test the API, you will need to register first on the IDE, then you will get free credits to run the API. You have to register at id.bitquery.io. I have already done that, so I'm going to directly jump into the API example. Select EVM, then dataset as combined, and then network as ETH. Then select DEX trade by tokens, then select where, and then we will select our time frame using block time. So we need 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour and 24 hour prices, right? So put in the last 24-hour interval using since and till. Then select the pair we want price for. I am selecting trade currency, smart contract, address as this mock coin address. I'll also need to select the site currency and I'll be selecting this as wrapped ether. I'll now select the fields I need info about. Select trade. You can get the start price of this 24-hour interval using this. The price here will give you the price of a token in the terms of site currency, which is wrapped ether. This minimum block time filter ensures that in this 24-hour time interval, the minimum block time trade, which will give us the starting price. And now we will get the current price of the token. We will use the maximum block time filter to filter out the latest trade with the maximum block time. Then we will get the price for 5 minutes back from the current time, which will help us to get last 5-minute change in price. To get this, we will first put the filter condition that from all the trades, give me those trades whose block time is after this time, which is our last 5 minutes. You can see this here. So this ensures that this will give me all the trades from the last 5 minutes, and I only want one trade which will have the minimum block time. So that will be the closest trade to 5 minutes back. And like this only you can get the price for 1 hour back and also the 6 hour back. Now run the query and you can now calculate the price change in last 1 hour, last 5 minutes and last 6 hour and also the last 24-hour. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.